Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another screen protector for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another screen protector for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. This time I decided to pick up Whitestone Dome glass, but it's the EA version of it, or Express Align. It's not the one with the glue. I don't think you really need all that for this panel here because it's kind of flat, so I think the glue is overboard. And this one should be a little bit easier to install. We'll make sure that it fits really well. Do you have to redo your fingerprints? You know, and how easy is it to install? So we'll check all of that out. Yes, this is my third one. The other two has been working really good. And yes, I am just peeling off very good screen protectors to try out different screen protectors. I know it doesn't make sense, but people have been asking for it, so I've been doing it. Why not? That way you can pick your favorite one and you don't have to go spend $60 like I did, or $80, whatever. I'm not keeping track. You can pick one, whatever one that you're used to of using, and make the decision there. But let's get into it. This is the packaging you get from them. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. But let's get into this package here. All right, so I'm gonna go from the bottom. So you get two of them. So there it is. Here's one of it. It has a little instructions there, and we will follow that. And here's the actual one. You just put that on the side. Then you get some dust removers. You get your microfiber cloth, and then also some wipes. So let's set this thing up really quick. First thing you want to do is turn off your phone. Turn it off. While that's turning off, let's open this up here and see what we can do. All right, so since you have your phone off, first thing you really want to do is wipe down your phone. Remove any fingerprints, any oil stains that you have from your fingers. You just want to clean off your display. That's pretty normal. Or if you have other screen protectors on here, you just want to clean that glue off. So you just wipe it good. Then you can take your microfiber cloth, which you get two of them, and then you just dry it. And it should be pretty easy to install. Should be. Third thing you want to do is take your dust remover, remove any dust things on here, because you don't want to have dust in your install. Try to do it, you know, where dust is not flying around. Make sure you turn off your fans, anything like that. You don't want dust on here. Alright, so you got all the dust off. Hopefully you got all the dust off. Then what you want to do is grab the screen protector here. You take off the back piece. That's the first step. Then you just place this on the phone itself. Put your phone in there like that, and then you just go to the numbers. It says 1, and you can slide the number 2, and then slide the number 3 over here. Just make sure that the screen protector is on there. They make it so easy to install these things now. And then the last thing says to pull or slide this off easily. You don't want to pull the screen protector off. And then once you pull that off, hopefully your screen protector is still on the phone. And there you go. I do have a little bubble there. If you have any bubbles, just work them out. And now you have your screen protector installed on your phone. And then what you can do too, take your wipe it down again, microfiber cloth, And now you have your screen protector installed. And it's pretty good on there too, man. It goes all the way pretty much up to the top. Let's check out the fingerprint scanner. The sides don't really feel like sharp or anything like that. I mean, you feel them, but it's not bad. So they made it easy to install. So first time you gotta draw your pattern. Let's see. And the fingerprint works pretty good. And if it doesn't work, then I always recommend you can uninstall it and then reinstall it. But as you can tell here, my screen is bright. Hold on. As you can tell here, I have no problems with the fingerprint scanner working. I mean, you can see it works pretty well, even with this Whitestone glass screen protector on there. So if you want to pick up this screen protector, I will definitely have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.